patient. All right.
I can't see him very well.
For Rick to be ready.
Go ahead.
All right.
He's knocking. I'm ready now.
Touch me, my disease.
Here's the cake, everybody. Before. All right.
Doesn't know what's going on.
Gabriel.
Here we go. If he grabs the
I don't know if he knows it's
someone
food yet.
grab him.
Oh, I can smell it from here.
Oh.
There we go. Yeah.
Awesome. Yummy.
Is that just all
That's
icing?
just like when you're in Nana's garden. He doesn't have the dirt.
There we go. That's folded. That's.
Here, can someone grab that from him?
What are you doing then?
Got it.
Now we'll take those. He doesn't want the fond. They don't want him to have a fondant.
Dyson sugar.
Here, Emily. Oh, boy. Oh, you're losing your standard.
What do you got? What do you got?
Miles, don't get too close.
He's just taking pure ice in right now. That's all it is.
Oh, is that good?
Oh.
Is it all icing?
No, there's cake. That's all he's getting right now.
Oh, there's
Now
cake.
he's got some cake.
Oh, wow. Look at the I love the big
The
eyebrows.
cake's blue. The cake's blue.
Yeah. I like that.
Oh, Gabriel.
No, keep that down. Keep that down. That would have been funny.
Look like the guys from the Mad magazine. Spy versus spy.
Yeah.
Don't we? Is that good or what, eh?
Give some to Uncle Miles.
It's mine.
No, all
She's
mine.
like, I don't think so.
Wow, I wish I could do this every day.
He was
gonna
like,
have
fine, you're not just going to sit here. I'll eat all of it.
It's all here. Oh.
Yeah, I know.
With his hat will keep falling off.
His
though.
hat, that'd be funny though.
No.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Pick it up. There you go.
Oh, yeah, there we go. That's what
Pick
we
it
need.
right up.
Uh-oh. Don't let him.
Use both hands to pick it up.
He's got a whole clump in the other hand.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, yes.
Good
This is
job.
awesome.
Good job.
Mmm, num num. You got.
Yeah. Boy, Gabriel, you're going right into her,
It
buddy.
really is.
Why doesn't someone flip that around so he gets the other side again, too?
Oh my God, that's what I wanted the most. Gabe, is it good?
Oh, man.
Good?
Gabriel.
Oh, she's going to be so happy.
Gabe.
The girl that made the cake. She's like, I hope he destroys it. And
Looks like the cake is blue, too.
yeah,
It
it
is.
is cake, yeah.
Really?
You could smell it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You walked up and it was sugar.
Yeah, that's all going to be surging through his veins in about 25 hours.
Yeah.
God doesn't understand why we're all just standing around watching.
Yeah.
How come no one else
Just
is
like,
eating
oh.
cake like I am?
I don't normally get to do this.
You know what? He looks very sleepy. Wouldn't it be something you could just like, sleeping your cake?
He just reminds. He reminds me.
Gabe?
Yeah.
He reminds me of the kid on what's it called? Matilda, who has to eat the cake in the auditorium. Yeah.
Oh, man. Have you been continuously recording this then? Beautiful.
Oh, you got icing up your nose. Perfect. Yes, perfect.
I want to put his head back down in it.
some. Ah, give me some. Nom 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 nom. Ah. Ah. La, la, la. Ah.
Oh my goodness. Gabe, is it good? Oh, like, you know it.
And then when he wakes up, he hikes.
Yeah.
Or he's gonna, yeah, he'll probably cook food tomorrow, yeah.
Nice. Oh.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
I remember that. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, and did you guys want it?
Oh, no, it was,
It's like, open it out.
Oh, wow.
what do you have? Thank you.
Have some?
Does anybody else want some cake?
Have
Yeah,
some?
that's right. Take the blue one.
Gaby? Mmm. Sounds good.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of cake he ate. Oh.
Just that. Just the Sheila. So that when,
We got a 5-pound base of flour.
yeah, that was.
That's a lot of cake.
You, yeah, you.
That's a lot of cake. You're gonna throw up.
No, he's not letting anyone have it.
What are you doing? You good? Can I have some?
No.
Nana has some? Give me some.
Matches your eyes. Blueberry eyes.
Oh, wow.